Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, on Saturday, 4th of November 2023, the Office of the Clerk of the Senate received a response to the invitation to appear issued to the Governor dated 4th of November 2023 from Mutuma Gishuru and Associates Advocates, who indicated that the Governor had appointed the firm to represent her in the proceedings before the Senate, and that the Governor would also appear in person and by advocates. The letter also indicated the list of counsel representing the Governor and the list of witnesses for the Governor. Similarly, on the same day, the Office of the Clerk of the Senate received a response to the invitation to appear issued to the County Assembly from Messrs. Muthomi and Karanja Advocates, reference number T006/003/L2023M, dated 4th of November 2023, indicating that the firm had been appointed to represent the County Assembly. The letter also indicated the list of advocates to represent the County Assembly and a list of witnesses for the County Assembly.
Directing her Chief of Staff and accomplice and lackey in malfeasance to write a contemptuous letter to the Assembly in response to lawful summons to appear before the Assembly's Sectoral Committee on Justice, Legal Affairs and Cohesion, and C, in the refusal by her CECM, Finance and County Secretary to furnish documents to the Assembly on the frivolous grounds that 1, an inchoate audit process was underway, and 2, the matters raised by the Assembly were sub judice, the latter frivolous ground being also disingenuous and contrived when viewed against the fact that the Governor has already been convicted of contempt of court. The Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, how do you plead the 7 charges? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.